Yo, what's good, YouTube? I'm back on YouTube, and yeah, today I'm gonna explain to you how you can make easy thumbnails. So you see the blue app? I clicked it. That's the blue app. It's called Thumbnail Maker, and yeah, that's where you make thumbnails. So when you open up the app, you wanna click a background. So you wanna click thumbnail for YouTube. Click a background. So I'm looking for a background, and you can click any of these background, but I wanna get a bright background because it looks better for the viewer. So now you can write down anything. You can do text. You can do anything. So right now I'm gonna just write down how to make thumbnails. And guys, by the way, this is gonna be my thumbnail for this video, so you're gonna see it. So how I make my thumbnails easy, and yeah, it's free. This app is free, by the way. The link will be in the description down below, even though they're not paying for me, but I still do it. I don't really care. You can make easy thumbnails. You can change the color of your text. So right now I'm just putting my text like that, and you can put emojis, stickers, anything. So let's say for a sticker, because you see, as you can tell, the sticker option right there. If you don't see any stickers, you can add emojis if you need it. So yeah, so I'm just going for stickers. You can see these are all the stickers choose from. So I just add emoji I got. So let's just add. Let me see. What is good? Yeah, that. You just put that. You can just put that or something like that. This is not the final result. This is just like I'm showing you basic stuff. This is not really the final result of how my thumbnail is gonna look like. You're gonna see, guys, gonna see it in the end. Yeah, this is the voiceover. This is me from the future, by the way. So there might be parts that might seem too long, cause while I was making this video, I was being called a lot by my mom, parents, whatever. But anyway, so you can add subscribe option. That's really helpful because if you see that, they might subscribe. You know what I'm saying? You can add other stickers, so I'm gonna add that to assure them that this actually works. And yeah, you can add that. You can add many stuff. So you can add images, your images from your gallery, or you can take a photo. Yeah, I got the apps. Yeah, I know y'all saw that. I know y'all saw that. But you can add that. That's the one of the apps of the thumbnail maker. You could do that. You can make it like that. You can add any images, anything you want, basically. And also, guys, I'm gonna make a video on how to edit your videos on KineMaster and Yuka. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Oh crap, my phone fell. Okay, back to it. So yeah, you can check anything you want, basically. Oh yeah, arrows. I want to get arrows. You get arrows. Arrows very important because like you always need that in thumbnail most of the time, so you can point to someone. Because someone see an arrow, they know it's pointing to someone something. They're gonna look at that something. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna grab their attention. So basically, for a thumbnail, you want to get a bright background and probably like dark or like light letters. So if you want to write something, you gotta get light, so something like that. This is not the thumbnail. Well, it kind of is the thumbnail. I'm gonna change the background effect or color, kind of. So yeah. So we gotta wait for this. I'm gonna also yeah. So those are the stickers. So images, that's where you get images from. As I said before, this is where effect is called effect. You can put any color or anything you want like that. You can change the color just by scrolling down. That's oh, that looks nice. I might keep it like that. I don't. Yeah, I never saw a thumbnail with a background like that. I'm gonna save this thumbnail to make it my thumbnail now. Yeah, that looks nice. So that's how basically how you make thumbnails. But I do got some other information at the end. I'm gonna do other stuff. So let's see. You can. There's a lot of filters you can use. You can use all of these filters. You can use all this, all this. This is just a basic thumbnail. This is not really where I'm going in depth for it, cause like it's not like a crazy video. It's not like a video where I do heavy prank on someone. So I didn't go too crazy. Oh my god, my phone fell again. So yeah. So yeah, you can change it. If you want to save it too. It saves it straight to your gallery, and you can go to what's it called, YouTube Studio, if you have a phone, to put it in your thumbnail. Or I think you can do this on your computer, but you have to do it a different app. Not sure which app. There's other templates. There's gaming, as you see, Fortnite, gun games, whatever. There's other templates like these, as you can tell. And there's a what's it called? A edit button. So if you made an old thumbnail and you saw something a mistake, you want to edit, you can edit again. Right now, this is my thumbnail. I saw it didn't save, so I'm gonna edit again. So yeah, I'm gonna try to edit it. I'm trying to make it as nice as possible. Well, not as nice as possible, just like nice to me as possible. You know what I'm saying? Trying to make it rare. I never saw a thumbnail like that. You know what I'm saying? With a background like that, and they're gonna see this thumbnail and be like, "Wow," because I made it on Android, not a computer. You know what I'm saying? So you save it, and yeah, that's about it. You can choose any of those photos, and there's a what's it called? A save thumbnail where you save your thumbnails and you can view it just for the reason. So thank you for guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.